It's Friday morning and we got a lot of snow. And before I go outside and check it out, not sure if I'm gonna be happy about the snow or mad. I'll be getting out of here. Got about 2 foot snowbank in front there. Doesn't look too good. All right, here's the challenge. Knee-deep snow. I need to make it to that stop sign. See what happens. All right, I was able to makeshift shovel some snow on the way, but we're only making an inch at a time. I've never used my change before, but I think today is the time to try it. Let's see, we've only gotten this far, but you know what? Could be that guy. He's never leaving. I was enjoying it at first, but pretty over it now. I got one tire chain on. Time for the Alrighty, chains are on. Here goes nothing. Oh, and we're pulling. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, don't snap a chain. Come on. We're going. Oh, I'm going to get in this rut. No. Come on, pull straight. Up the hill. I snap my chain now. Let's see. Oh, we're out. We made it. Oh, I exploded one chain off the driver's side tire. I got it off. There's all tangles there, but it got me out of the parking lot. See how the road's going.